There are times when you need to hand over your phone to someone else, and chances are you have your private photos, videos, and many sensitive data stored on your phone. Maybe you want to make it inaccessible, but how? Hiding apps are not always the best solution. You can also lock your apps to make your data more secure and private. Hello everyone, Abhishek here from TechDuo Pro. Welcome back to another tutorial video where you will learn how to lock your apps on Android. So let's get started. In order to lock Android apps, we need an app called Lockdown Pro. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for the Lockdown Pro. I will also leave a link in the description below so that you may easily download it. Now let's download the app. And once it is downloaded, open the app. Once the app is open, Lockdown Pro will ask you to choose the mode of your password, either classic or pattern. Choose the password mode as per your choice. Here I am going to choose classic mode. Alright, now it's time to create a password which is necessary to lock your apps. Type in your preferred password. Retype the password to confirm it. Here on the next screen, you will ask to enter a recovery email, which is helpful in case if you encounter any issues. You may also skip this process. Alright, before I show you how to lock your Android apps, it's important to allow Lockdown Pro for all the required permissions. Tap on OK and scroll down until you find the Lockdown Pro. Tap on this and enable the option which says Allow Display over the apps. Go all the way back to the app screen. Here, you will need to optimize Lockdown Pro for better performance. To do so, tap on OK and then got it. Select Lockdown Pro under Services and tap on this button and allow the app to use services. Alright, now you are ready to hide your apps. Scroll down and select the apps which you want to lock. For example, I want to lock the Gmail app since it stores my sensitive data. I will select the app by tapping on this icon. OK. Now let's go to the home screen and open the Gmail app. Oh yes, the app is fully locked now. No one can access my Gmail without having the password. So that's how to lock apps on Android. But before ending this video, let me tell you, you may also use your fingerprint to unlock your apps. All you have to do is open the Lockdown app and tap on this hamburger icon. From the various menu, select Security. Here under password mode, there is a fingerprint option. Make sure to enable it and you are good to go. It's worth noting that the app doesn't provide you the feature to add a fingerprint. It automatically detects the fingerprint which you have already set up in the device itself. So this was it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechDuo Pro channel because we have more useful tips, tricks, tutorials and reviews coming up. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off and I will see you in the next one.